Hello friends, how are you? So here it is, Mr. Joe Biden and Kamala Harris, your new president and vice president. We have predicted this 2 months back, and I will give you the video. If you have not seen that video, you can go through that video that will be given in my description box. And I have clearly predicted your result will not come on the election day. We have charts. We have worked on these charts. I have shown you that day. Kamala Harris charts, USA chart, and Mr. Biden's chart, Mr. Trump's chart. So a lot of charts we have studied, and it's hours and hours of studies. After that, we have come to the conclusion that, as per Vedic astrology, Mr. Biden is going to win, and Mr. Trump will not be able to retain the power. This is the power of astrology. This is the power of the stars. Using anyone's horoscope, we can able to find out the strong and weak planets. And as you see, like in Biden's horoscope, I am seeing now right now also, Jupiter and Saturn are very favorable planets. There are some other combinations also, but these two planets are very favorable on the election day, and plus the time which is after the election. So these weak planets, there are weak planets in the charts, there are strong planets in the charts. When you give strength to these planets, wonders can happen in your life. In case you want to have this type of reading as per Vedic astrology, if you believe in Vedic astrology, it is a most ancient science. And this, I am not saying that Western astrology is not good, but our sages have given us a very good Vedic ancient science, and I personally see Western astrology concept also mixed with Vedic astrology. And the most important thing is the remedy. Many astrologers will come and tell you these planets are not good, these points are not good, but what to do, how to improve that? That is what we are doing. And it's not necessary you have any problem, then you come to the astrologer, because as we go in US, in India also, and in US it's a common practice. People go for a regular medical checkup. So you can check your horoscope, even if there is no problem in your horoscope, because you will come to know the future. What is the time is coming, what type of remedies you have to perform, which planets will give you the problem, which planets will give you the success. So these all can happen in your life. So you have to ask for any astrologer, and if you believe in Vedic astrology, my email ID is there, atul.maheshwari@gmail.com. I am doing it with a scientific process, and it takes me some 10 to 12 hours to work on a particular horoscope. And there are a lot of people have asked me for this, and I have already done some chart readings with people apart from these. And one more thing I want to tell you, we will further analyze Mr. Joe Biden's and Kamala Harris horoscope, because I see a very powerful thing. And being an Indian, I am very happy that Kamala Harris is at the helm of affairs. So she has the potential to reach the top post. When, where, I will hint you in due course of time. And let's see. And now a lot of people are tracking. We have also talked about these lawsuits and all this. Mr. Trump is talking right now, but this all is part and parcel of the game. Anyhow, what they are supposed to do, I don't know. But as per astrology, Mr. Biden is now your president, Kamala Harris is now your vice president, and we will see how USA will progress under these. And many people have some doubts about Mr. Biden's and Kamala Harris, what they are supposed to do. They are supposed to do very good, no doubt about it. No doubt there is some problem in between time to time that we will also mention in due course of time. But overall, I don't see any problem with Mr. Biden and Mrs. Kamala Harris. So these type of things happen with Vedic astrology. These type of wonders can happen. You can gauge Then very important thing is very big astrological community have predicted about some predicted Mr. Trump is going to, some predicted Mr. Biden is going to win, but this is how you read the charts, and Vedic astrology has clearly told us after hours of studies Mr. Biden will score. So that's all in my video. Thank you very much for your response, and I am happy, I am deeply obliged by the goodwill gesture you have given and the responses you have given, and I am hoping the same will continue. Also, we are doing a stock market for US stock market. We are not giving the regular trading. We are playing some big cycles. So if you are interested in that, you can contact me on the same atul.maheshwari@gmail.com. All the best to all my friends there, and go and enjoy.